Welcome, my name is Alex and I'm with MarineMax Stuart. Today I bring you a 2024 Scout 195 Sport Fisherman. This is in the signature gray shark hide and powered with the 150 Merc. Let's take you up top and show you the rest. Now that we're on the top side of the 195, let's go over the features. We're going to start in the back. In the back you have two jumper seats that both have storage on either side. You have your wall water connection right back here. Behind this plate is your bilge. As we come to the helm seat right here, this is your live well. At the helm right here, you have your instruments for your engine, you have your radio, and you have your phone charger. Right about here is where you would put your 7-inch chart plotter if you guys want to equip one. As you come around here, you have your head, but you also have your onboard charger already equipped on this vessel. As we come around the front here, you have your cooler seat option that Scout already equips on here. As we approach the bow, they do have a sun pad here, but this is your big storage. And underneath here, you have your anchor. This vessel has the capability of holding 7 people. It is a 43-gallon fuel tank, and it has the bridge clearance of 7.7. If you are interested in this vessel, please contact MarineMax Stuart. Have a great day.